Let's create this amazing flyer. All right, so we're going to do it together just by using drag and drop template. Okay, we are going to come up with this amazing flyer. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, interface your Canva. So what we need to do, I want to create another slide, a kind of, and added a new page. This is where we'll be working with, and this is the flyer we'll be replicating. All right, so first of all, you need to have your text. You have to write it out. Okay, your copy, get your image. Okay, for this image I will drop the link in the website where I can download it. Okay, other material we'll be needing, we'll get it from this Canva. All right, so first of all, if you look at the background now, you see that the background is blue, and but there is something at the back. So let's go to elements and we'll search house. So we'll go to photo, then we'll scroll. We need to look for the one we love, so we can just pick anyone, but you just feel free to scroll down and then pick the one that you like, the vibe. Okay, for me, let's go with this. I think this is fine. I click on this. I want to use it as my background. I will need to increase it. Watch, that is the issue using Canva. Okay, but we just need to take it easy with it. So you can just drag and let it fill the space. Okay, I'll put it at the center. All right, so next thing I will do, I will reduce the opacity. I'll click on it. It's now the background. I will look for opacity, which is transparency. Let me take this way. I click on transparency. I will reduce it up to like 50%. Somewhere here is okay. Then I'll go back to design again. Sorry, I go back to my element again. On the element, we need to click search for blue gradient. Let's say blue gradient background. So like this is the one we'll be using. I click on it. So I will increase it to fill the canvas space. So I will drag it like this. As we said before, we'll be using just drag and drop templates. So we have this now. All right, next we'll do now is what we'll do, we have to reduce the opacity so that we'll be able to see what is inside. We'll see to like 90, like 95 should be okay. 95, as you can see now, is giving our design a kind of ambience look. Right, so let's go and take a look at what we are doing. If you see that it is too much, we are still need what is at the background too much, you can as well reduce the image. Let's click now. What we'll do now, we'll look for layer. All right, we look for layer. So you can see this is the image. I click on it, then I've done the selection of the image. I will look for transparency. I have to reduce it again. You can see, as you can see, it is now, it is not that much visible. Okay, but the sign is still there, that something is at the background. So next thing I will do again is for me to import my image. All right, I'll import my image and my logo. Okay, it's already in my Canva. What I will do, I'll look for upload. You get, I click on upload, then this is the image. I'll click on the image here. All right, this is it in the Canva. What I will do, I will click on remove background. Mind you, this is a Canva Pro. Okay, you click on remove background. So I'm also going to give you access how you can access this Canva Pro. All right, from the website, or you can send me a DM as my student. I'm gonna give it to show you how to do it to get the Canva for free. All right, so what I'll do again, I will need to bring something here. Watch me closely. I will click on this again. We need to bring something which is grade. We'll use grade in order to position this. You click on element. This is the one is on graphics. So click on this one, this grade. Now what we need to do is we'll extend it so that it will fill the Canva. Watch what I'm doing. Okay, so we'll use this grade for positioning our objects. Later we're going to remove it, but there is reason why. Okay, we are using it. What I will do again, now I'll look for layer again. I'll click on layer. Watch me closely. First of all, make a selection. I click on it. I'll look for a layer. Then I will make a selection. I click on the image. So I've selected this image. Now look at this layer. I need to bring this layer beneath here. Like here is okay. All right, so I click on the image. Now I want to position this image very well. I can still enlarge it. Now I want this to be somewhere here. All right, this is where I want it to be. I need to also take it up a little bit. Somewhere here is normal. Okay, let's see. Sorry. All right, so you can see our image is coming alive. Okay, so next we'll do again, we'll go to the search again, we'll click on elements. Now what we need to do, need to bring something. We will type ripping. Want to bring something, we type ripping on it. So when you type lip, you scroll down. Okay, let's choose this. I've clicked reduce it. I will increase it. I will increase it this way. Increase. I will place it somewhere here. Do you see? Beautiful. So let's take a look at the one we are modeling. So you can see our design is coming alive. So I will take it up a little bit this way, somewhere here. I think so. Perfect. So then what again? We'll bring our logo. So we'll go to here, click on upload. We'll click on our logo. All right, now what we'll do again, we'll remove the background. It's simple. The Canva does a great job in doing this, so we'll make it smaller. You can see to design with this is very simple. We'll place it here. Let's still reduce it a little bit. We take it somewhere here, all right, at the edge here. Okay, so that people will know that this is from a company or organization. This is our flag, our logo. We'll place it here. Okay, so as you can see, is as our design is coming alive. Let's go again. Now what we do now for us to input our text, it's simple to do. So what I will do right now, I will click on the text icon. Okay, I'll click on the heading one. So now when I do this, now I need to go and bring my text where I've written it somewhere. I'll click on it. You can see it here, daily income. I copy it. I'll copy and come back to my Canva. Right, then I will select the text inside. Then I'll click on paste. So once I'm doing that, I need to position my text very well. Now to I'll take it to this side, reduce it, change the font type here. What I will do, I will click on here fonts. So I normally use Bebas and then Montserrat. So I will click on Montserrat on it. So you have selected it. Make the text smaller again. So let's change the color to white as we see in our other design. Good. So need to increase it a little bit, then shift it this way. Then our text, you can as well use in how the score nudge to nudge it, shift it a little bit. Okay, do you see? Perfect. So next again, what we are doing again is we'll bring in brackets, which is DID. We'll go again, we'll click on text. All right, so putting up the text is quite simple to do. So what we'll do now, we'll go and we'll copy this. We'll put the bracket so that it will be easy for us here. Here we'll put the brackets, we'll close it here, then we'll copy. All right, so as I've said before, what we'll be doing is just copy and paste. Once you're done getting the background, we are done with over 80% of the work. The background is one of the important things here. So once I do the click, and that is it, what I will do, I have to drag it and place it at the center. Then we'll go back again. Now copy what you will learn, which is this. Remember what you will learn, we put this, then we'll copy. All right. Then here we need to put shape. So if you watch here now, it is in a shape. Let's check. Do you see it? Which is a rectangle. So I'll click on shape. Then I will type rectangle. You see it? Amazing. So we'll have to change the shape. Let's see. Then click on this. Can do it. Undo. Then we'll drag it somewhere here. Here. So we can make it larger. Okay. So we change the color. We pick this color. Right. You click on the text icon. You click on this. Then we paste it inside. We paste. Perfect. Now we have to take the text, we'll reduce it, then we'll bring it inside the shape. You see? Good. You can please increase it a little bit. Sorry, it's too much. Okay. Then this our shape is a kind of big. We have to reduce it a little bit. At times when you want to click on the shape, you'll be making another selection again. What you will do now, you click on any shape there, then you go back, you look for layer, click on layer, then you pick on the rectangle here. That is when you can now edit it as you like. Okay, you can make it smaller this way, which is the height. Okay, at times it gives headache, doing it, but at least you get my point right now. I can drag it this way, sure. Then I will now bring it a little bit down like this. Perfect. Good. Now next again, you can see our design is coming alive. Then we'll put this text here. We'll go and take our text from here, which is we copy it this way. We go back to our design, then we click on text, use this, we'll highlight it like this, and then we'll paste. We'll reduce the size. You can see, click on it, we'll reduce the size, take it here. Now want to position this text very well, which is click on the format. We choose this one. You can take it to the left hand side. Then that is it. You can as well shift it a little bit. If you can go to spacing. All right, this is letter and then line spacing. So we'll put a little bit line spacing. Perfect. So we'll take it this way. What we'll do, we'll shift it a little bit to enable space in between them. You can see, our design is coming alive. Then again, we have to copy this one. Just have to be fast so that we are just doing the same thing, which is copying and paste. So I copy this way. I copy, I go back again. Now if you watch now, this one now is inside the shape. Do you see? So what we'll do, we need to create rectangle. What I will do, I click on shape. Again, I'll click on this rectangle. I'll change the color. Perfect. Then we make it bigger. Then if we bring it like this, just watch what I will do now. Bring it this way to get to this point. Then we go over to layer. As we click on layer, we'll bring it at the back of this our ripping. You drag it down beneath this ripping. effect we imported. Okay, let's do you see now? So it have taken it back. Now we want it to be at the back of this lady. We also take it further at the back. Take it at the back of the lady as well. So watch, I'll take it this way. Good. Click on this. Remember that we have already copied the text we want to put there. All right, so I'll highlight on it, then I will paste. Watch, paste. Good. I will make it, I will reduce the text. I'll click on it. It's not hard to do, just make it smaller. Apply our spacing, which is letter spacing. Spacing. Good. Then if you watch now, they added a shadow. Let me show you. If we go back, there is a shadow on this, a drop shadow in both of them. So what I will do, I will click on it, then we look for effects. We click on effects, then we click on shadow, we double click on it, then we scroll, and then the color we make it black. You see, perfect. It says transparency. If you take it down, you clean, then when you put it here, it's showing fully, and we have chosen black on it. All right, then good. Then what we'll do again now, we'll go to elements. Then the one we'll be making use of is this one. Let's see, which is this. I click on it. Now I will take it to this object here. Perfect. Do you see that we are almost there? All right. Wow. So what next again is for us to bring this, the amount here. So we'll go to where we wrote our distance out. We copy the amount. We come back here, click on text to bring this. We highlight and then we paste. So once we paste, we change the color. Good. Then here now, we need to add that slash which was on it. So watch what I clicked on format, then I click on this. Now it brought the sign on it, then I'll bring it down like this. Good. So just need to make a space. That is in the nutshell. Make a space there, we shift it a little bit, then go back again, go back. Okay, put our phone number, then this free sign. So let's copy this, join WhatsApp, this thing now. We click on this, join. This is call to action. We copy, go back here now, click on text, then on this. You see, it's not that hard to do, it's quite easy. Just keep your text handy. All right, then we'll bring it down here. Perfect. Then we'll duplicate this. Watch what I'm doing. I duplicate, then I highlight, delete, then I put my phone number 090-393-29620. Perfect. So I will take it up here. You can see our design is coming to life. Okay, put the sign free. So go back, click on this icon. You know, I search for circle shape. All right, okay, so we'll bring this one in, we'll make it smaller, we'll take it at the back of the lady. We'll go to layer, then we'll look for this shape. Okay, look at the shape here. So we'll click on it to have to bring it at her back somewhere here. Just need to take it easy. We drop it. Good. Change the color. All right, if you watch now, we need to also bring it at the back of this rectangle. So what we'll do here, perfect. Then we change the color. Let's make the selection again. Hold on and see what I'm talking about. Layer, scroll down to the shape. Then now we have clicked on it. Then we'll look for the color, pick red, perfect. Then we'll now write free. We'll choose this, we'll write free. Change the color to white. Good. We'll drag it here. We'll rotate it as they did. We'll make it smaller. Okay. Let's increase it a little bit. Perfect. So we need to take rid of this grid. We'll go straight to layer. On the layer, we'll scroll down. Look, this is our grid. Click on this, delete. It is off right here. All right. So you can see that our design is almost the same, remaining the effects. So to put this effect, what we do, you go to element again. Then on this element, you're going to search for something lens. Look for lens flay. This one, now you click on this one here. Now this one, you bring it towards here, somewhere here. You go to the opacity, which is the transparency. You reduce it. Okay, so it will add a kind of feeling to your design. If you go to here now, you can see okay some of their own. So let's go again. Go to the lens free again. Okay, we scroll down, and this one is fine, right? So let's go again. So this is how you're going to add beautiful design. Okay, let's click on this. I guess this is the one they used here. So you take it up here, somewhere here. Then you go straight to layer. You bring it at the back of the girl or at the back of the lady. You look for the effect again. This is the one here. You drag it down, drag it down somewhere here at her back. This is her picture here. Let's see. Good. Then here now you reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity. You see. Reduce the opacity. Then you take it up on this one again. This one again. You reduce the opacity. Wow. You see. Our design is now wow. So we'll go again. We'll now add the last effect again. That is one I'm looking for, but not so that we'll end this video. Let me use this one for instance, like this one. I click on it. Okay, so you bring it like this at somewhere here. Do you see the kind of feeling is given to our design? So when you click on it, you have to let's reduce the opacity. Okay, highlight it. Then you go to transparency. You reduce it a little bit. Wow. So we have seen our design now. Our design is making more sense. Mind you, now you can as well adjust this shadow. You can reduce it or you can increase it. All right. So this is their own design, and then this is our own design. You can see. So this is how you can use Canva to design affiliate marketing flyer. All right, you can use for your advertisements and any kind of campaign. All right, so feel free to rewatch it again, and then so you can understand more better on how to come up with a nice flyer.